Can you say happy snow day? What's your sister doing over there?
Yeah!
Let me see what you got, girlfriend.
Yeah,
Alright, let me see what you got. You got anything to show me?
okay,
Yeah,
let's all get in the picture.
It's videoing, honey.
Oh, baby.
It's videoing.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Alright, go do a cartwheel for me on video. Happy snow day.
Happy snow day.
Yeah. Are we getting lots of snow?
Yes, we are, little baby.
Let's see if we can.
Baby,
Gianna, back off your sister. It is just flying by. I don't know if you can see that. Gianna?
Go, 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 go.
And right now my husband is running out in
the garden.
Yeah. This is going to go on for about another 10 hours. So it's a good thing we're nice and warm inside with my two girls.
Let's put her sock back on.
You took her sock off? That wasn't very nice. Okay. It's the first big snow of 2011.
Can you do my video?
Okay. Let's see if Sister will do one more cartwheel then video for us. What do you think? Would that be nice?
Yeah. Yeah. Can you say yes?
Alright, let's see, girlfriend. What do you got? Ta-da! She's going to be a superstar.
Ow, it's not your butt.
Talk nice, please.
Goo-goo.
What a big girl.
Goo-goo.
Gianna, out of her face.
Once you're all done taking our pictures, then you may stand her up.
No, we're not standing Sister up. She's fine. Last the snow. Just flying by.